Hello?
What?
Hello?
Hello?
What do you want from me today?
To know why you're calling me on withheld?
So how are you doing overall?
I'm about to kill you, if that tells you anything.
No.
What?
No.
No, what?
You're a bitch.
Yeah, I know.
I want you to start living as a gay woman. And I want you to start having a gay relationship.
Sorry, I like guys.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
And let me just be honest with you. That's a load of crap.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No.
I deserve to be treated better than this.
No, you don't.
That's a load of crap.
Yeah, just like you.
Are you mad?
I'm irritated.
Quit being mad at me and just love me again.
I've never loved you, because I don't know who you are.
No.
Now what?
What you just said is articulate, it is intelligent, and it is logical.
Okay.
Do you agree that you smoke pot?
I've never smoked pot.
No.
No, what?
Really?
Really what?
I don't know anything.
What?
I want you to start living as a gay woman. And I want you to start having a gay relationship. Well, how does that sound to you?
I've already told you, sorry, I like guys.